This is apartment 353. This is my favorite floor plan, the Studio Plus floor plan. It's nice and open and bright. As soon as you walk in, you have your bathroom to the left with granite countertops, dual linen closets, and a nice big shower and soak tub here. In the entrance, you have a nice big coat closet, but in San Diego, we just call it a storage closet because we don't have coats here. So, and then the washer dryer is the second closet here. So it sings to you when it goes on and off. It's kind of fun. Energy efficient. And then the room area here, nice and bright, has this frosted glass panel, which really lets in a lot of light. And then you have dual closets. So his and her closets really. And when you look through, you can see how much room that is. So the idea here is that you would mount a TV on the wall in between and have your bedroom kind of set up facing that wall. In the living room, you have this great track lighting. It's plank flooring. It's like a gray-brown color, really pretty. And this really modern kitchen with white quartz countertops, gas stove, microwave, wine storage, dishwasher. This apartment has a balcony. And let's head out to the balcony and see what's going on. We are in rush hour, so lots of cars. And you have the highway right there. That's to get to the 94. The 5 is also just a couple blocks away. And this is looking back into the bedroom space. It's a great layout. Let me know what you think.